If you've ever seen a logo or graphic printed on a curved, textured, or irregular part and wondered how it was done, chances are it was pad printing. Today, I'm going to explain what pad printing is, how the process works, and why it's such a powerful solution for industrial and product marking applications. Pad printing is a printing process used to transfer an image from a flat printing plate onto a three-dimensional object. Unlike screen printing or digital printing, pad printing excels at printing on curved, recessed, angled, or irregular surfaces, places where other methods struggle. Here's how the process works. First, the image is etched into a flat plate. Ink fills the etched area, and a silicone pad presses onto the plate to pick up that ink. The pad then moves to the part and gently compresses, transferring the ink onto the surface. Because the pad is soft and flexible, it conforms to the shape of the part, allowing accurate and repeatable image transfer, even on complex geometries. Pad printing is commonly used across a wide range of industries. You'll find it on medical devices, automotive components, electronics, promotional products, consumer goods, and industrial parts. It's ideal for printing logos, symbols, text, icons, and functional markings where precision and durability matter. Companies choose pad printing because it's extremely versatile, cost-effective for both short and long production runs, and capable of producing highly detailed prints. It also supports a wide range of inks and substrates, making it adaptable to many different materials and environments. Now that you understand what pad printing is and how it works, the next step is choosing the right equipment. In the next video, we'll cover the key advantages of pad printing and how it compares to other printing methods. If you have questions about pad printing or want to learn how it could fit into your application, visit us at automarkco.com or reach out to someone in our team at the contact information that we will leave below. Also, if you liked this video and would like to see more, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.